If you sell merchandise to retail stores, chances are you go about it in one or two ways. You deliver directly to the stores and you merchandise the product, or you deliver the product to the retailer's warehouses and the retailer merchandises the product. You invoice the retailer and wait for payment. That can take 60 days or longer. When the retailer needs more, you'll either get a purchase order, or you'll see what has been sold at your next scheduled visit to the store. There's a better way. It's called Scan-Based Trading, or SBT for short. SBT is similar to consignment and has been used by hundreds of retailers for over a decade. You're paid on what scans through the register, so you always have visibility as to what is selling by SKU, by store, and by day. SBT also allows you to plan deliveries as needed, based on inventory at the stores and warehouses on your routes. SBT is a change and can seem overwhelming at first. It doesn't have to be if you have the right partner. Nexxus Group has been educating and partnering with the leading retailers and thousands of suppliers on SBT since 2003. Maximize your efficiencies. Decrease out of stocks. Increase sales. We'll be your trusted guide. Contact Nexxus Group today to find out how.